is a video of an oil rubber bronze Hunter Oakhurst. This is installed in the den/family room of my cousin's house. But yeah, this house is in Madison, Alabama. But this fan is set on reverse for some reason, and it has very weird bulbs. But yeah, if there's the change, this goes to the light. It gets very dark in here. There's no lamps in here, so I'm gonna leave the light on. But we should start with low. Yeah, it's on reverse for some reason. Yeah, here's low. Yeah, it's winter time, so this fan's on reverse. And yeah, I'm the third one to film in Hunter Oakhurst, I think. The first one that filmed in Oakhurst, that's fan's house, etc., etc. He filmed a white one in his guest house in the master bedroom, and it didn't go that fast. This one looks faster than that one. Then the Russian Fazbear filmed one in his, at a beach house in the living room. And yeah, that one had a back pass. There was another per light one. Let's turn it on medium. Yeah, it's a really slow fan. And medium almost looks like low. I think this fan has a back capacitor. But yeah, soon I'm going to replace this fan with a Harvey Centerville or him to be Clarkston, one or the other. I'm not getting a Hawkins because those are just a piece of junk I heard of. Because they come with these bolt-shaped lights and they're noisy. Yeah, it's medium. But yeah, this fan's really slow. Medium's almost like a low. Then we got high. Then here's high. Yeah, it's a really slow fan. I think this is the slowest fan in the house. Yeah, newer Hunter. Piece of junk. Oh yeah, I think because it's on reverse. Okay, and let's turn it off. Okay, let's turn the light on. But yeah, unfortunately, these are still being made. And yeah, my cousin actually moved in this house in 2019. I used to live at Mustard Souls, Alabama. And then he used to live in Spring Hill, Tennessee. But yeah, over.